Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, World of Mike, the Parkwork Wrangler. And I thought I'd kick this week off with something a little bit different. This is the Ghostbusters Figurines, brought to you by the former Egamos Hero Collector. Hero Collector was like a sister sort of company, if you like, to Egamos. It is a 1/16 scale. Now, I totally forgot that Egamos did these until I was on Vinted one day and came across one, and I was like, oh, I've got to have that. So these do crop up on Vinted a lot, and this is Ray's Stance. So I do believe there's 5 of them. There should be 5 characters. So you've got Ray Stance, you've got Slimer, you've got Egon Spengler, I think it is, and then there's another 2. I can't remember their names. But apparently these don't come with like magazines like the Wizarding World of Harry Potter did. But as you can see, it says complete the crew. The other one was obviously Winston Sedamore and Peter Venkman. Now, Slimer is on Amazon. So obviously ignore this website here. As we all know, Egamos went bust and it's no longer to be. But yeah, I thought we'd get some of these because I can then display them in the car, you see. So, well, actually, they can go on my shelf until the car's built. But yeah, wow. So let's take a look at this first of all. So this is our... Oh, that's nice. It's like a picture from the alien xenomorph. How do you pronounce it? Is it xenomorph or xenomorph? Something like that. And in here we've got Build the Ghostbusters Sector 1. As you know, if you do want to build that car, ignore all this below, go to fanhome.com and you can build your very own stunning, accurate, officially licensed 1/8 scale replica of Ecto 1 from the Ghostbusters Ghostbusters movies. Receive model parts and magazine instructions each month. So yeah, you could do that. Looking at this leaflet, I'm probably going to cut that little symbol out there because I do like keeping them badges. So that's that. And then let's take a look at this. I do have to, when you order something on Vintage, you do have to quality control check it because there's a button that comes up and it will say markers received, everything okay. If it's not okay, it just suspends the order and obviously it has to go back. So I do have to pre-check it first, which is why it's open. And there's obviously no tape around the edge here. But yeah, this is a really lovely piece. Now, I believe you can get, someone did tell me, and I forgot your name, I do apologise, but someone did say that you can get the whole set without getting them individually, so I want to get to Chelmsford some point, because I want to see if HMV have any. Probably not, but, you know, they have been known to sell Egamos stuff, so let's get this out of here, and look at that. Wow, that is gorgeous. That is really lovely. It's quite heavy. That's the first thing I noticed about this. But this is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you can probably tell the quality in this because it's so heavy in that. Really, really lovely, you know, posture on this. It's quite nice. And there's the facial expression. There's no defect of any paint from what I can see. Really, really beautifully done. And then this is probably like a gloss paint on his boots because it's shiny. And we all know with gloss paint, it tends to be shiny. If it's a dull paint, it tends to be matte black, I think it is. And then on here, the backpack is super interesting. It's like on the wonk slightly, but obviously it's how he's wearing it and stuff. I would have liked that to have been straight. I haven't got OCD, but for me, that is very off-putting seeing it on the wonk. But yeah, this is a lovely, lovely piece. There's no defect from what I can see anywhere on this, and it is beautifully, beautifully done. Yeah, I cannot. And the way they've got the little logo there saying Stance on it, that's really cool. Absolutely gorgeous. And then obviously on here, you've got like some logo of some sort. And then on the back here, you've got Ghostbusters Race Stance, AAA 08760 in 2019 Columbia Pictures Industries Inc. So that, my friends, is some beautiful, beautiful kit. And one last thing I've noticed is, look, you've got the Ghostbuster symbol printed on this base. It's just at the back here, look. How cool is that? Don't know if you can see that because my phone senses when I'm too close near the camera and it will say move back. But yeah, that is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to probably put that back in his box for now because I don't know. Actually, no, I want to pull it out because That's the thing, right? You want to display it. So let's put that over here. And as I said, you can get this there's 4 different characters. As I said here, we've got Egon Spengler, Peter Venkman, Winston Zeddemore, and Slimer. Slimer is on Amazon, I think about 18 or 20 quid, something like that. But as I said, this will be quite hard to get hold of because obviously the company no longer exists. I'm quite surprised Fanhome didn't take that over because obviously they've took over the Batmobile, haven't they? So I would have assumed they'd take over some of this, or with their stock floating around in their warehouses, which they had to unlock, then it would have been nice if they could buy some of these and then, well, we never know, they could. But yeah, they are floating around. I got mine off Vinted. I probably dare say there's some on eBay or Facebook groups, but that is a nice piece of kit. I love it. So yeah, something different this week. We've got a lot on the schedule this week, so I'll leave you to be surprised on that one. But as I said, if you do want to build the Ghostbusters Ecto-1, just head over to fanhome.com. I will put the link for the Ghostbusters car in the description of the video. Thanks so much for watching. This is a lovely piece from Ray Stantz, and until next time, that's been Ghostbusters, the figurine collection. Take care, guys. Have a lovely day. Bye.